So good day everyone, this is Lenal'S and you are watching the episode 9 of Lenal'S Thought. Hi everyone! For today's video, we're going to talk about the web platforms. So very familiar naman tayo when it comes to web platforms, di ba? Ang web platforms is ito yung mga bumubuo sa paggawa ng web natin. So, next. What is a web platform? The web platform is a collection of technologies developed as open standards by the World Wide Web Consortium and other standardization bodies such as the Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group, the Unicode Consortium, the Internet Engineering Task Force, and the ECMA International. It is the umbrella term introduced by the World Wide Web Consortium, and in 2011 it was defined as a platform for innovation, consolidation, and cost efficiencies by W3C CEO Jeff Jaffe. Being built on evergreen web or where rapid automatic software updates, vendor cooperation, standardization, and competition takes place, has allowed for the addition for new capabilities while addressing security and privacy risk. Additionally, developers are enabled to build interoperable content on a cohesive platform. So, ito yung pag-uusapan natin dito, ang mga tools behind nung paggawa ng websites. So, nabanggit naman dito sa kung ano yung mga yon. So, next. So, what are website platforms nga ba? So, a website platform is a mysterious technology that allows websites to run. The majority of websites run on a variety of platforms including web hosting platform, programming languages, website building tools. All of these work together to fuel your website, ensuring that visitors have the best online experience possible. So, para maging maganda or para maging mas friendly yung ating website is kailangan natin ng web hosting platform, programming languages, website building tools. So itong tatlong to, sila yung parang main component or main ingredient ng isang website. Hindi to mawawala kapag like sa madaling salita, kulang pangit kapag kulang ang isa. So yun. Pag-uusapan naman natin yung web hosting platforms. So there are numerous web hosts that have various platforms. There are variety sophisticated tools that can manage websites in a variety of ways, such as speed or the ability to scale the site of the website grows or requires complex features that simple coding can't handle. So, meron tayong tinatawag na web hosting platforms. So, ito yung mga ginagamit para sa mga code na hindi na kayang i-handle yung website natin is magiging functional pa rin siya when it comes dun sa pag ginamitan natin ng web hosting. So, next, ito yung mga yon. Una is Linux. Linux is when it comes to hosting Linux-based operating systems are ideal for those who need a simple website, such as a blog, small e-commerce site, personal website, or portfolio. This operating system is ideal for beginners since some of the application designed for Linux hosting, such as cPanel, enables users to install simple dashboards that help them set up email accounts, manage databases, and even install scripts for blogging, e-commerce, and other purposes. So, no need for more information or explanation kasi sobrang linaw naman talaga ng sinabi dito na it's easy to set up email accounts, manage databases, and even install scripts for blogging, e-commerce, and other purposes. So, kaya popular yung Linux as web hosting. So, another web hosting is Windows. So, Windows is, although it is possible to run smaller website on a Windows operating system, larger companies are more likely to use it. These pages are made with Windows-only applications like Microsoft ASP.NET and the MySQL database. So, meron siyang specific and exclusive lang siya for Microsoft ASP.NET and MS SQL database na pwedeng gumawa ng website dun sa Windows. Plus, a Windows dashboard with similar features to cPanel is worth noting. So, very iba naman talaga siya dun sa Linux compared dun sa very iba naman yung Windows doon sa Linux. So, itong Windows naman is exclusive lang for Microsoft ASP.NET yung programming language, and yung database naman is MS SQL database. So, yun. Next is the programming language. So, syempre, 'di ba, kailangan ng programming language kapag bumubuo ka ng website. So, different programming language are used on both the Linux and Windows operating system. These programming languages provide website developers with options for improving website performance, as well as allowing novice users to take advantage of the system built-in features. So, as what I've said earlier, programming language has a big role in building a website. So, kasama talaga siya sa website or sa web platform. So, next is, ito yung pinakaunang programming language natin na pag-i-discuss is the PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor and was created with web-based projects in mind. PHP is capable of creating HTML for web pages, processing forms, and much more. WordPress, a content management system, is an example of a PHP-based project. So, pinaka-popular din dito ang PHP pagdating sa paggawa ng website, and alam naman natin ng mga ka-IT fellow students natin na ito yung pinaka-ginagamit kapag nasa school ka pa lang. So, as of now, nagamit na namin to. Yan, pero iba na yung ginagamit na programming language namin para bumuo ng website. So, ito naman yung sinasabi kanina na ASP.NET. Ito lang is exclusive for Microsoft Server man lang. ASP.NET is a Microsoft server-side web application platform that is used to create websites. So, sabi rito, for Microsoft Server lang yung ASP.NET. So, if hindi Microsoft Server yung ginagamit mo, the code will not function properly. So, yun. Next is the C++. C++ is a general purpose programming language that is commonly used in infrastructure of large system as well as resource and performance intensive applications. It is an extension of C programming language. Video games and telephone switches are two examples of C++ applications. So, ang bukod sa pwede siyang gumawa ng website ng C++, kaya rin gumawa ng video games or telephone switches ng C++ application. So, isa to sa mga programming na pwedeng mag-build ng website. Kaya kasama rin siya sa web platforms. So, Python is very popular also. Python is a programming language with a high degree of abstraction. It like C++. It is used in large-scale projects, but it can also be used in smaller projects, such as creating a calculator or a desktop notification app. So, yeah, creating a calculator or desktop notification app is using Python language is pwede ka makabuo nun. But then again, isa ang mga Python sa pwedeng isa ang Python sa tools for building a website or to build a website. So next is JavaScript. JavaScript is when it comes to website, JavaScript is mostly used alongside HTML and CSS. It is a programming language for web browsers. Smoothly running drop-down menus in your website's navigation menus are an example of JavaScript functionality. So, JavaScript, ginagamit namin to last sem or I think hanggang ngayon. Ang JavaScript is very applicable kapag gagawa ka talaga ng website. Ito yung HTML and CSS pinaka-main nito, but using programming language web browser using JavaScript programming language to build a web browser is Sobrang ganda kasi meron siyang drop-down menus in your website and meron din siyang bootstrap na tinatawag. So, yeah. Java is a programming language that is widely used in software and app creation. It is not be confused with JavaScript. It is similar to C and C++ programming, but with less resources, in reality, they had an impact on Java's coding. So, parehas daw pala ng code or parang ng tawag dito hindi ko matubok yung word. But parehas daw basta the same sila ng concept ng C and C++ ng Java, but kung sinasabi nyo parehas sila ng JavaScript, hindi. So, magkaiba po sila. Ang Java is a programming language that is widely used for software and app creation. So, for app and creation, shop. Pero pwede siya mag-build ng website. So, yun. So, ito naman yung web building tools natin. This article has only covered the hosting side of things so far. So, pinag-uusapan pa lang natin yung mga hosting and yung programming language. But then again, yung pinaka-main natin is yung web building tools talaga. Not the aspects that you're dealing with the most, such as the website construction resources. You'll need to get your site looking nice and running. So, para mapaganda ito, dapat meron kang the following are some example of website building software. So, ito yung tatlong yon. Developmental platforms. Some programming languages such as ASP.NET and PHP are used in development platforms. The code functions in tandem with data storage in a database. Blog posts, e-commerce items, and other types of information are example of this type of data. So, ito yung development platforms. Ang example nito is yung like blog posts, e-commerce items, and etc. So, ito yung development platform. So, content management system. A content management system, also known as a CMS, is a specialized software that enables you, the website owner, to create a wide range of website including blogs, e-commerce business, pages, and more. So, ito yung like content management, like pinagawa kami ito dati. Dapat kailangan yung very informative and very interactive yung website mo when it comes pag gagawa ka ng content management system. So, including rito yung blogs, e-commerce, business pages, and etc. ulit. So, templated websites, ito yung ginagamit namin on a present day kay Sir Rico. Pre-built website templates that you can customize to suit your company are known as templated website builders. Some of these website builders have pre-built generic content that you can simply replace with your own images and text content and to get site up and running in no time. So, ito yung may mga examples nito katulad ngayon like mga Infinity Free, WordPress, may mga templates sila ng mga websites nila, and like Wix.com, like that. Yung Wix.com, yun yung ginagamit ko now. And meron na silang template, like may design na yung website, but yung content, sa'yo pa rin manggagaling yung content. And kung ano yung mga ilalagay mong videos or images, pwede. So, that's for all for today's video. I hope you learn more, and meron kayong tanong, just comment down below. And this is Lenal'S signing out.